How will rising producer inflation impact Chinese manufacturers in 2026? The answer could reshape global supply chains and your shopping costs more than you expect. In 2026, rising producer inflation means Chinese manufacturers face higher expenses for raw materials, energy, and labor. This inflates production costs significantly. Many factories operate on thin margins, so even small cost increases can force them to raise prices or cut output. The pressure could slow down manufacturing growth or push companies to find cheaper inputs or innovate efficiency. This shift will affect the availability and price of goods worldwide. Since China supplies a vast portion of the world's manufactured goods, rising producer inflation there ripples through global supply chains. Importers may face delays as manufacturers slow production or adjust sourcing. Increased production costs get passed down, raising prices for electronics, clothing, and more. Countries relying heavily on Chinese imports must brace for inflationary pressures themselves, potentially altering global trade patterns and consumer behavior. To survive rising inflation, Chinese manufacturers are likely to accelerate automation and smart manufacturing technologies to cut labor costs. Some may shift production to lower-cost regions within or outside China. Others will optimize supply chains to reduce waste and improve efficiency. These strategic moves will reshape industrial landscapes and could lead to new competitive advantages or challenges in the coming years. Rising producer inflation in 2026 will challenge Chinese manufacturers, but also drive innovation and shifts in global trade. These changes affect everything from prices you pay to how products are made. Stay curious about the economic forces shaping your world and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.